Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix sticky notes not syncing on Windows. This is a common issue that can prevent your notes from appearing across your devices, but fortunately it's easy to resolve. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, click the Start button or Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click on Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This will open your Windows settings panel where you can manage all your system applications and features. Once you're in Settings, click on Apps. This section allows you to view and manage all the applications installed on your computer, including system apps like Sticky Notes. Now, scroll down through the list of applications until you find Sticky Notes, then click on it. This will expand the options available for the Sticky Notes app. Next, click on Advanced Options at the bottom of the Sticky Notes section. This is where you can access deeper settings for the app, including storage and reset features. These options are crucial for troubleshooting sync issues. Scroll down within the Advanced Options menu and click Reset. This action will clear the app's cache and reset it to its default state, which often resolves syncing problems without deleting your actual notes. After resetting the app, open Sticky Notes on your PC. You'll need to sign out and sign back in to refresh your sync connection. In the upper right corner of the Sticky Notes window, click the gear icon to access the settings menu. From there, click Sign Out. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to sign out. Go ahead and click Sign Out to confirm. Now, click Sign In to reconnect your account. You'll be prompted to select whether you want to use a Microsoft account or a work or school account. Choose the appropriate option for your situation, then click Continue. This ensures your notes will sync to the correct account. On the next screen, enter your Microsoft email, phone number, or Skype ID, then click Next. After that, enter your password and click Sign In. This will log you back into your Sticky Notes account with a fresh connection, which should resolve any syncing issues you were experiencing. Once you're signed back in, click the gear icon in the upper right corner again to access the settings menu one more time. Scroll down and click Sync Now. This manually triggers a sync between your device and the cloud, ensuring all your notes are up to date across all your devices. Give it a moment to complete the synchronization process, and that's it. You've successfully fixed the Sticky Notes syncing issue on Windows, and your notes should now sync properly across all your devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.